Hey guys, I'm your host AKN. You can also make this with just 10 items. So let's make it.
Turning this on, going thing.
I took 12 cm length and took 6 cm as the midpoint, but I made the height a little bit for the fix that I used for display. We are almost done as we need to cut the sides as per you see. I prefer black double tap because it's very convenient and it also suits the title. And you can also use it as a ring, sometimes for the decoration purposes or with the championship on the line. And there you have it, the big gold NXT championship. If you like what you see, just subscribe. That's the least you can do to support me. And also like and share to your fellow WWE fans. Now it's time to compare the size differences between my custom United Kingdom Championship that I made in this channel. Tutorial link in the description and in the iCard. Next we compare among the NXT Tag Team Championship, which I didn't release the video yet. I'm not planning to because I didn't take video of it, but I uploaded a photo in Instagram, link in description. And comparing with the new World Heavyweight Championship which I made just recently, you can check in the playlist Custom DIY. Finally, comparing with the AEW Custom Championship, which of course I made a video of it and you can check it in the playlist Custom DIY. These are just 5% of the custom championship belt, but if you give me 30 likes on this video, then I'll upload a video showing all my custom championship collections. That's a promise.
Acknowledge me!